Hello students, myself Amrita Srivastav and I am a faculty of US Academy Institute, Gorakhpur. Today we are going to discuss class 8th grammar. This is your grammar book, Sophie Learners, Sophie English Grammar of class 8th. And today we will discuss about its second chapter. So students, this is your second chapter, transformation of sentences. What is the meaning of transformation? To change the sentence without changing their meaning is called transformation of sentences. For example, we can take the woman is happy. So without changing its meaning, we can say that the woman is not unhappy. Or you can say the old man is weak, and without changing its meaning we can say the old man is not so strong. So students, there are many ways to transform the sentences without changing their meanings. Let's start by reading its rule, how to change the sentence without changing its meaning. So first rule is there are many ways to transform the sentences without changing their meanings. First is given remove to, TOO. For removing to, we can use the word cannot. For present tense we will use cannot, and for past tense we will use could not. The old man is too weak to walk properly. For changing this sentence, we will use cannot. So, the old man is so weak that he cannot walk properly. We can take first example also. The woman is too happy. That means the woman is too happy to express her excitement. So we can say the woman is so happy so that she cannot express her excitement. Next example we can take, the weather is too cold. That means the weather is extremely cold or the weather is beyond the proper limit. That was the first rule by removing to. This rule is given here, use of adverb to. In the previous rule we have removed the use of to and now we will add use of to. For example, the lion is so old that he cannot jump. So we will change it as the lion is too old to jump. Next is the class is noisy beyond the proper limit. That is, the class is too noisy. For understand is easily, you just have to be opposite as your previous rule. Examples are same. If the sentence is the lion is too old to jump, that means you have used here the adverb to, and if you will write the lion is so old that he cannot jump, then you have removed the use of to. Next rule is, and one more thing is given here, we can change the form of sentence containing the adverb to. For example, we can take the news is too good to be true. That is the use of adverb to, and if you will say that the news is so good that it cannot be true, that means you have removed the use of true to. Next is affirmative to negative. So we can change the sentence into affirmative into negative. If the sentence is affirmative, we can change it in negative sentence without changing its meaning. How? First is by removing to. Rohan is too fat to run in the race, and if you will change it in negative sentence, then Rohan is so fat that he cannot run the race. Same rule will be done, and by using the change of degrees. In the previous class you had been learnt use of degrees or change of degrees. For example, if the sentence is Sonam is the best girl of the class, this is in superlative degree, so you will write no other girl is as good as Sonam. Like this you can change here. One more example you can take, iron is the most useful of all metals. So you can change it as iron is the most, no other metal is as useful as iron is. Also very easy rule by using antonyms or opposite words in meaning. For example, she is poor, so you can say she is not rich, and she is bad girl, she is not a good girl. Next is by using alone or only with the use of none and but. Only he went to Delhi, none but he went to Delhi. Only he got selected for the team, none but he got selected in the team. Next is by using as soon as, no sooner did, and then. As soon as he went to station, the train left. It will be changed into no sooner did he go to station than the train left. Next is to change assertive sentence into interrogative sentence. That means yes will be changed into no and no will be changed into yes. For example, are you going to school? I am not going to school. Who does not know Gandhiji? Everybody knows Gandhiji. Who has seen the wind? No one has seen the wind. So, if the sentence is assertive, you will change it in interrogative, and if the sentence is interrogative, then you will change it in assertive. Next is assertive to exclamatory. Friends, how to change assertive sentence into exclamatory sentence? Rule is given here: subject plus very plus adjective. For example, how beautiful the rain is. So you can change it as the rain is very beautiful or it is very beautiful rain. Some exclamatory words are given here as alas, hurrah, bravo. So you can change alas into it is very sad. For example, you can take alas, you are injured. So you can write it is very sad that you are injured. Hurrah, we won the match. So you can say it is very joyful that we won the match. Bravo, you have done well. For more examples you can take, if only I were young again. So you will change it as I wish I were young again. Alas, that youth should pass away. It is sad to think that youth should pass away. How beautiful is night. You can change it as night is very beautiful. Next is some more examples are given here. Alas, his father died so young. It is very sad that his father died so young. Next you can change as comparison of degree. You are knowing that there are 3 degrees of adjective: positive degree, comparative degree and superlative degree. Some forms are given here: positive form, comparative form and superlative form. Rich, richer, richest, good, better, best, few, fewer, fewest, much, more, most, beautiful, more beautiful, most beautiful, attractive, more attractive, most attractive. So, if the sentence is positive, we will change it in superlative, and if the sentence is superlative, then we will change it in positive. No other helping verb does not change, and if the very few is helping verb will be changed. For example, we can take Rohit is the fattest boy of the family. So that you can change it as no other boy of the family is as fat as Rohit. So students, you can see here that as the following examples are showing here, it is possible to change the degree of comparison of an adjective or adverb in a sentence without changing the meaning of the sentence. For example, you can take Naomi is not one of the cleverest girl in the class. So you can change it as Naomi is not so clever as some other girls in the class. And if the sentence is positive, you have to change it as comparative. If the sentence is comparative, you have to change it as positive. And rules is very simple. Just add helping verb plus not. Hans is taller than Man. For changing it, Man is not so tall as Hans. Some other buildings in the city are at least as tall as Usa Kiran. And if the sentence is comparative, you can change it. Some other buildings in the city are perhaps taller than Usa Kiran. Next is how to change superlative to comparative degree and comparative to superlative degree. Jagdish is the richest man in the city. That means it's a superlative degree. So you can change it. No other man in the city is richer than Jagdish. One more example you can take. Ram is the best boy of the class. So no other boy in the class is better than Ram. Practice exercises given here. Transform the following sentences removing to. The Ganga water in Uttarkasi is too pure. These practice exercises you have to do at your home, and if you are facing any problem, we will discuss this in our next video. First of all, you have to practice it, and then we will discuss it in our next section. So students, so many exercises are given here for your practice. Just do practice and then tell me if you are facing any problem. We will discuss it in our next video. So students, keep practicing and keep studying. We will discuss our next chapter in our next video. Till then, take care.